Hello and welcome to Geek Panda Tech. Our very first unboxing will be the MusRun MP3 player. Now let's quickly have a look around the box before we get it open. We can see on this side that it supports FM radio, it has a TF card slot, MP3 and MP4, it records, it has a stepometer, and it also plays back in hi-fi. If we have a look on this side, we see all the formats that are supported. So it supports APE, FLAC, ACLC, ACELP, and SQ. I personally use FLAC. That's what I prefer. It's what I've got all my music in. The only thing looking at the box itself is if you were getting this for someone for Christmas, it'd be great. But if you were looking at the birthday, the whole Christmas design probably isn't very suitable. Anyway, let's just pop open the box. So here we have the MP3 player itself. We'll put that down to a side just for just a second. First thing we see is the sports band. So pop the MP3 player in there, pop it on your arm. Looks okay. Then we've got a little Vela pouch thing. Nothing too fancy about that. You've got your charging cable, which is a micro USB, and your AUX cord, and a nice pair of headphones, which I shall let you know how they work. Let's just quickly have a look at the MP3 player itself. So the first thing you'll see is it's actually got a pretty solid metal body there. So everything on there, all this body is completely metal. That's rather nice. Let's just have a quick look around. So you've got a speaker there, you've got a lock button there, your SD card slot, which my only downfall is it's open. Some people might not like it open, some people might prefer it to be a bit more protected, but there's pluses and minuses for both. You've got your charging, microphone, headphone jack, you've got your microphone activation button there and down volume, and you've got plus volume and your on button. All these are touch sensitive buttons on the front, and I'll quickly just load it up for you just a second so you can see the screen. So welcome, and then you've got your home menu there. So you've got line recording, Bluetooth, settings, stepometer, ebook, tools, and the very first one, which was music and radio, and obviously files there. So I will get back to you guys for an actual review. I hope you enjoyed my unboxing, and if you enjoyed the video, please give me a subscription and leave any comments to how you think I can improve the video. Thank you very much.